Welcome to this e-learning module on Python. In this video, we will be discussing the overview of Python and some examples to help you understand the language better. Python is a high-level programming language. It is an interpreted language, which means that the code is executed line by line rather than being compiled before execution. Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and ease of use. One of the key features of Python is its extensive standard library. This library contains a wide range of modules that can be used to perform various tasks, such as working with files, handling network connections, and creating graphical user interfaces. Python also has a large and active community of developers who contribute to the language and create new libraries and tools. To download Python, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Google Chrome browser and search for Python, then go to official Python website at www.python.org. Step 2. Click on the Download Python button that corresponds to your operating system and architecture. For example, if you're using Windows, click on the Download Python 3.x button for Windows. Step 3. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install Python on your computer. That's it. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed Python on your computer. You can start using it to write and run Python programs. After installing the Python, next step is to IDE. IDE stand for Integrated Development Environment. The question comes in our mind is, what does IDE is used for in Python? An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a software application used by developers to write, debug, and test code more efficiently. In Python, an IDE can be used to provide features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging support, making it easier to write code and find errors. Some popular Python IDEs include PyCharm, Spider, and IDLE. PyCharm is a full-featured IDE with a range of tools for web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. So now our next step is to download PyCharm. Step 1. Go to the Google Chrome browser and search for PyCharm, then go to official PyCharm website. Step 2. Click on the Download button that corresponds to your operating system and architecture. Step 3. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install PyCharm on your computer. After installation is complete, go to search bar and search for PyCharm and open the scikit editor. This is where we will write the program. So let's write our first code in Python. df is equal to in apostrophe. We will write hello world, then we'll hit enter. Then in second line, we will write print open the bracket by default. It will open the two bracket, and between the bracket, we will write df, and then we will run the code from the right side, or by shortcut Shift F10. We can see the result below. Over here, what we had done in our code first, whenever we need to write character, we need to write is apostrophe, and in second line, we had passed the df function. Whatever is written in first line, it will execute it. That's it for this overview of Python. In the next video, we will be diving deeper into the pandas.